Hello guys, welcome back to the channel of Bioshock. Hope you all had a nice Christmas and a very happy New Year. And welcome to 2017. And this is going to be the first video of 2017. Sorry for the long delay, but as I said, it's New Year. Also, I was a bit lazy because, you know, work tires me out. But here I am, I'm now carrying on and eating some cream-filled cakes. Because why not?
Pie offered me a deal. I flip him Fontaine and I walk out of here. That simple. How do I know that fat fuck isn't Fontaine's guy? How do I know they're not all Fontaine's guy? Fontaine's got Adam and everybody wants it. Brian's got a whole lot of talk and a nice suit. Even down here, any idiot can see which way the wind is blowing.
Confused. Oh, right. Fair enough, that's why I was confused. It wasn't apparent I had to go there. Hoping this is the right way. Because if it isn't, well, I'll just have to go back when Arcadia. Let's see what this place has in store for us. And my trusty wrench, which I'm still using instead of guns. Unless it's a Big Daddy. I mean, I'm not taking on a Big Daddy with a wrench. That's all I'm saying. I thought it was like pitch black for a second there. I was about to say.
Moira. Patrick. Ain't that just like Ryan? Waits until we're almost out, then he pulls the string. We'll find the bastard. We'll find him and we'll tear his heart out.
Yes, we will.
I came to this place to build the impossible. You came to rob what you could never build. A hum gaping at the gates of Rome. Even the air you breathe is sponged from my account. Well, breathe deep.
Oh, jump over.
Later you might remember the taste.
Vita
You get to the bathysphere in the rolling hills. That'll take you straight to the devil himself. And then all debts will be paid in full.
I like debts being paid in full. That's how they should be. The fudge was that noise? I didn't like that noise. The Great Chain. Oh! Didn't like that noise. Just heard. All that noise. It was best of liquid nitrogen. And a machine gun. Finding quite a lot of stuff. Rubber hose and kerosene. Rubber hose and glue. I'm even searching the body in the coffin. Oh, a proximity mine. Nice. Another proximity mine. I'm glad they don't blow up when I stand next to them. I'm glad they're not set. Shell casing. Okay, well, that does. Graveyard. Let's look at this place. I don't trust this place. I don't trust anywhere in this place. Beer! Oh, camera. Film. Nice. There's a diary. More beer!
Seems like some poor blind
McDonagh is talking.
ghosts.
Whoa!
Ryan tells me it's a side effect of this plasmid bit. One poor sod's memory is getting passed on to another.
Well, I just saw a ghost.
Lunatics. Rebellion.
It's like a guardian.
Now bleeding ghosts.
Whoa! Trippy moment. There's more ghosts. What they're getting up to. Well, that was interesting. Big night out.
What a night I got lined up. Everything's ready. Flowers, bottle of wine, even 2 tickets to the tea garden. Nothing gets
Another
the
diary.
berries in
What
the
do you mean?
mood like nighttime
Who
in
is
Arcadia.
Atlas?
Now I just gotta
It's not
stop
Jack
by the
Atlas.
thrifty care to pick up a med hypo, just to be safe. Word is, this
Cigarettes.
ain't Angelina's first visit to the tea garden.
What did the chair do that? The chair just moved after I picked up the cigarettes. Couldn't have been weighing that much on it.
The augmentation procedure is a success. The slugs alone could not provide enough atom for serious work, but combined with the hosts, now we have something. The slug is embedded in the lining of the host's stomach, and after the host feeds, we induce regurgitation. And then we have 20-30 times yield of usable atom. The problem
hear
now is
someone.
the shortage of hosts. Fontaine says patience, Tannenbaum. Soon, the first home for little sisters will open, and then
hear
the problem
someone.
will be solved.
Who are everywhere? What you on about? Jump up the bridge. Oh, right, okay, fair enough. That's all it did.
Hey, can you help me, man? Can you help me out?
Like this. Something running around. No, where? It's telling me to go backwards. Oh, right. What that was. There was someone here. Money!
Hello.
Oh god. What the fudge? The fudge was that? What in the name of all things was that? Lockbox. Shit. Nothing in there. Waste. Wasn't it? What the fudge that was? Oh, this thing. Wait, come back here! Don't run away from me, you piece of crap. Oops.
Wait, come back! Save me!
Ah! Someone's shooting fire at me.
This is gonna hurt! You haven't got the balls to fight me!
Yes, I have. Got a shotgun.
Look!
Come on then. Come on, let's go. Let's go, some. Come on, stop running away. That's what I thought. Yeah, die, you piece of crap. Actually, Houdini splicer. What I thought. No to die. Fucking coward. Let's just win that one. Swap jeans. I don't want to swap jeans. I don't have a spare pair. I left them at home.
Today, Arcadia was closed off to all but paying customers. The man hires me to build a forest at the bottom of the ocean and then turns a walk in the woods into a luxury. Ryan asked, should a farmer not be able to sell his food? Is a potter not entitled to a profit from his pots? I started to argue with the man, and then I remembered who signed my checks. The only thing worse than a hypocrite is an unemployed one.
Still works. The good old 1-2 still works. Gotta love that. drone gun here? Yes, there is. Guess what? Guess who's getting hacked? Okay, not the best of starts. Considering I have to do that. Do that. Come on, come on. Give me what I need. No, what are you doing? There you go. Come on, come on. Oh, good. Done. Another thing hacked. I don't have plasmids. Could be bad. I'll actually use a gun now. That's right, Joe. You take it out.
I don't want
Too bad. What do you get for coming at me? I had to actually use my gun there. Right, first time ever. Oh, I came that way. Oh god, yeah, I came that way and then got shot by that fucking drone gun up there. Which is now my drone gun. I don't really need the health station, I saw. I need a fudging, whatchamacallit station. Plasmid station, that's the one. That's if there is one. I don't know if there is one. Right, so that door's locked. I can't go through there. And you never know.
Whoa, amateur! Fucking amateur!
What door? That's the actual way.
Huh? This is my territory! You think that I'm done?
Okay. There we go. I think he went on one of the traps. Yeah, there's a lot of traps in there. I got some shotgun shells. What's it got? Oh, shooting me. This is my drone gun outside. Ooh, money. That might be my drone gun outside shooting thing. Yeah, I think that's my drone gun outside shooting. Literally, it is legitimately shooting. My drone gun is shooting many things.
The order is... Nurse, help me find...
Wow, my drone gun's having a field day out there. How'd you know, drone gun? I guess it's safe.
How can I help you if you won't come?
Dead cat. God, my drone gun's having a lot of fun.
That's it!
It really is having a lot of fun, my drone gun. Oh my god, what the fudge? What the fudge is this? Okay, I'm not gonna bother with that. Gotta be quick, gotta be quick, gotta be quick, gotta be quick. Oh, damn it. This is really difficult, this one. When it doesn't give you what you want. Oh. Well. GG. GG. Oh, for fuck's sake, this is annoying. This fudging safe. Better be fudging worth it, I swear to you. Oh, right. Okay, so that's useless. fudge's sake! It's annoying, you have to be so quick. This is impossible to do! This is impossible! Seriously, this is impossible! This is impossible to do. Seriously, this is impossible to do. I'm gonna try this one more time. If I can't do it, I'm not bothering. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah, what? That is stupid. That was bullcrap. That was absolute bullcrap. That was. As is that. So I'm not even gonna bother. I'm not bothering because that safe was absolute bullshit. Absolute bullcrap that was. And for some reason I've set off an alarm. I don't know why. Oops, I just accidentally used my last. Whoa, 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 whoa. Did not want. Did not want. I am not here. I am a tree. Didn't see me. They're gone now. They're gone now. Thanks to that safe, I now have. Thanks to that safe, I now have no health packs. GG safe. GG. Whoa, 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 whoa. Things are shooting at me. Don't know what's shooting at me, but something's shooting at me. I don't want it shooting at me. I don't want it shooting me. Anyway, guys, I think that's all we have time for in this episode. I'll catch you guys next time. Keep on rocking, guys.